Shout out to the nation. It's your girl Deanna Diaz, aka your business bestie, business coach for those who are new. And today I'm going to show you how to watermark your images so you don't get caught slipping and see your images being sold somewhere else on the internet. So all you need is your phone, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I wanted to make this video because as I was scrolling through these social media streets, there's a Facebook group that I'm in. It's a press on nail group. Because if you don't know, I own a company called Press on Posse, and I make and sell custom press on nails. So go check that out. Shameless plug. But so I was in that group, and this girl, she was fairly new to the business, and she was saying that she caught somebody else selling her work on Etsy. Child. So she caught somebody else selling her work on Etsy. And the reason why that this person has gotten away with it thus far is because she did not properly watermark her images. What is a watermark? Now, a watermark is an image or a word that goes onto a document or a picture. It's usually very faint, and you can just see it just a little bit just to notice that it's there. The purpose of a watermark is to prove the validity or that it is a real document or it's a real product from the person who put it out there. It just shows credit, so for example, you know how we used to get our school pictures and stuff back in the day, or our class pictures. And before we got those pictures, that photographer or that company sent out a proof. Exhibit A. All right. So you'll get your picture and you'll see that proof all over it. That is an example of a watermark. Here is Exhibit B. This is my watermark. Now on my pictures, I put it smack dab in the center and I faint it out really good so it doesn't mess up the picture or whatever. And the reason why I put it smack dab in the middle of that picture is because I really don't want nobody claiming my work as theirs. Okay, so now let's go ahead so I can show you how to do your watermark. Okay, so I have an iPhone, but you should be able to do the same thing on a Droid. This also has a desktop application, a web version where you can do it on a laptop if you need to. And the program that I'm talking about is CC Express by Adobe. It's just CC stands for Creative Cloud. And you can use it for free. They do have a paid version or a pro version. That is the version that I use because I have a subscription on all the suites. However, so you want to go ahead and go to that app, and then you want to hit the plus sign down at the bottom. Let's say I wanted to watermark my nails or a product image. I'm just trying to find something random. Okay, let's do this. This doesn't have anything on it. All right, so that's one of the products from my store that I sell, okay? So I picked that. And again, if I wanted to do a word as my watermark, I could put that right there. Go to opacity. And now my image is watermarked. If you are worried about your customer seeing the image, then you can drag it down some more and it can still be seen and the customer can still see what the product is. Now, let's say you wanted to do your logo. What I like about this app is that you can easily access all your photos and so much more, as you can see. So if I go to photos, photo library, and if you have your pictures sorted in albums, it'll bring up the albums for you, which I really like that. And you want to go to your logo saved on your phone, tap it with the check mark, tap add one, bam. There is my logo. Now, to change that and add it as a watermark, I'm going to go ahead and hit opacity and drag it down. And that's normally to how see-through I have my logo on my images for my watermark. And then once I'm done, this thing with the arrow pointing up in a little half box, you tap that, and then you tap its cousin, the opposite, hit save image, and then it's saved to my camera roll. And that's it. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you watermark your images. I don't want to see y'all out here slipping. I don't want to see y'all talk about, oh, they're selling my product and stuff like that. I don't want that to happen to you. So if you thought this was helpful, leave it down below. If you have any other suggestions on things that you would like to know because you didn't know, or that you don't know much about, but you may have heard about it, let me know down in the comments below. I am here for y'all. Make sure y'all check out deannadiaz.com. I have some webinars coming up. I have some printables coming that's already there, but I have some more coming out that will help you in your business, and you can also book time to speak with me. All right. Everything else, you can hit me up using the information down below in the description box. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day and continue to get the bag and provide for you and or your family. I'll holler at y'all.